if you were a 450 credit score 6 months ago, 3 months ago, now you're in the 500s and the 600s, and you're thinking, well, if I do that same thing, I can get similar results. And that's not the case. Hey guys, Calvin Russell here, CEO and founder of 850 Club Credit. Hope everyone's doing well today. Today we're going to talk to you guys about, are you being realistic with your credit score? Let's go straight into it. So what I mean by that is, of course, you know that your score is whatever it is, right? We talked about credit score ranges and things of that sort. So the thing is that you have to make sure that you have the right expectations. For example, if you were a 450 credit score 6 months ago, 3 months ago, now you're in the 500s and the 600s, and you're thinking, well, if I do that same thing, I can get similar results. And that's not the case. The higher your score goes is more so time than activity. It's more positive activity than negative activity. It's more so how long can you do something? How long can you stay consistently doing something as life starts to present itself, right? Because doing something for a long time is not the problem. It's when things happen over that time. Like it's like saving money, but then something happens with the car and money's tight. So now you gotta look at all your options, right? And obviously the easiest one is going to be to just look in the mirror and just say, okay, do I need to change something? Or is it habitual, where it's a situation where because of your habits, you're like, you know what? I gotta have a Starbucks coffee every single day. I'm going to use my credit card every single day. And that $5 a month, that $5 a day, 5 times 5 days a week comes out to $25. Or if it's 10, that's 10 times 5, that's 50 times 4, that's $200 a month. And that you're using on a debit card or credit card more than likely to get your Starbucks. Again, do whatever you want to do. I'm just letting you know that, again, what got you here won't get you there. And some habits you need to change, okay? Some people like paying their bills, like that. Well, I'm gonna say like doing it, but they have a habit of paying their bills late. And because they're paying their bills late, they always have late fees. So all of these things are kind of just throwing them off. And that's where it's like, okay, what is my credit picture? And how can I not only improve my credit score, but how can I create the good habits that's going to get me closer to my credit goals? Is it something that I'm constantly buying? Is it something I'm constantly paying late on? Am I using my accounts properly? Am I watching? Am I learning things but not applying them? Am I applying the wrong things because I'm just listening to random people that have only seen 1 or 2 credit reports? And people love giving free advice, and they've only seen like 1 or 2 credit reports. But again, it's about understanding what works best for you. I think a lot of times people focus on what they're hearing their friends and family say when their financial picture is completely different. Of course, your friend got approved for that $25,000 limit credit card because their scores are in the high 6s, mid 7s, and they've had a history of good account history. You just got into the 700s, and you're trying to figure out how come you didn't get approved because their credit report picture, their financial report picture is different than yours, and they have the right expectations. So are your expectations right? Are you looking at multiple examples, watching multiple videos, reading multiple articles to find out what works best for you? Are you working with a credit coach? Do you have a personal credit game plan? Have you had a credit audit in a while, which we provide, by the way? But again, it's just you need something to confirm, to reassure that your current plan is working towards the goals that you're trying to get. Now, of course, as we know with credit, there's positive things and there's negative things, but you need to make sure that you're doing the right positive things. For example, if you got a credit card and it gave you a 50 to 75 point jump, then you would think that if you do that same thing, you'll get the same results again, when that's not the case. Instead of you getting all those credit cards and you're really hurting yourself because you don't know it. And that's the thing. We don't know what we don't know. And we don't know until we try. So we're the guinea pig ourselves. It's like, oh, I'll try this and you'll see how it works in about 30 days. And then you'll be able to kind of go from there. So again, there are professionals out there. Of course, there's plenty of content. We just got word that we just uploaded our 600th video. And like, man, it's crazy how many videos we keep making, just making sure that we get that information out there to you guys. Okay. So if you like this video, like it, you want to share it. And as always, be sure to subscribe as we got nothing but great content well on the way. Thank you guys so much. Have a great day.